Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to adjust inventory quantities in QuickBooks. Sometimes your inventory count in QuickBooks doesn't match the actual physical count. This can happen due to loss, damage, theft, or counting errors. QuickBooks lets you adjust inventory quantities to match reality. Let me show you how to get this done. So, first step is to go to the plus new menu. Now click on the QuickBooks dashboard. You're going to click plus new from the left menu. Then select inventory quantity adjustments. Next is to choose the adjustment date. Pick the date that you want the changes to take effect. Next, select the product. Now in the product column, you're going to choose the inventory item that you're editing. Next is to enter new quantity. Now in the new quantity column, you're going to type the correct physical quantity. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the change. Next is to specify an adjustment account. This is usually inventory shrinkage or another expense account. Once you're done, save the adjustments. So click save and close, or you can click save and new if you want to adjust more items. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.